Hello, I'm very excited to introduce OpenGeoPub. It's a new platform for geospatial learning and also publishing. The link is also in the video description below. This is the website. I've been working on this project for a while, and finally I'm ready to launch it today. And you will find some of my books and also video tutorial and a lot more to come. If you go to the website here, you can switch to light mode if you want to use light mode. And so right now I have some of the books, courses, and also bundles. So bundle basically is a combination of courses or books together. So if you want to get it at a cheaper price, you can do that. And so for each book, if you click any of the books, it will take you to the book page. So here you can change the price. So right now, you can, for example, if you just want to pay the bare minimum, you can slide to the left, or you want to pay more, you can slide to the right. And all you need to do is just to click the upper right corner here, then you can sign in or sign up. So you can just sign in using your Google account or your GitHub account. So this is all using the industry standard. So it's pretty secure. I can log in using, for example, your Google account. And after that, you can just buy now. Then you can enter your credit card or whatever that you want to use. And so here, you can also go to the book website. So if you click the link, it will take you to the book website. All the source codes examples are freely available, so you don't have to purchase the book. But if you want to support my work, you're welcome to buy it from my website here. Or you can also buy a print copy from Amazon. So this is available from Amazon. You can see right now is actually Amazon is running a discount on that, 27% off. And for PDF version, then you can buy from here. And for each PDF, you also have different translation. So if you are interested in a particular translation, you can click the translation and then you can take a look at the samples. You click the link, then it will take you to the sample PDF, including the table of content and also the some sample chapters in the preface. And so let me go back here. So this is for the books. And if you're interested in buying, for example, buying all the 3 books together, there's this one called OpenGeospatial Python series. So this one includes all the books, and the minimum price is 50. If you're trying to buy them separately, it's like 25 each, so it's $75. So it's going to save you some money if you want to buy all of them all together. Also for the bundle, I also have different version here. For example, the French edition or the Spanish or the Chinese edition. So you can buy all of them all at once if you want all the 3 books together. Next, let me introduce course. So I have this introduction to JS programming. Last year, it was quite popular, and all the videos are available on YouTube. So you're welcome to check out the YouTube channel. But if you want to follow through the course and also to submit the assignment, get feedback, then you will need to buy the course. So again, it's $50, so you can buy now. And after that, you can go to your dashboard. So if you log into your account, and then from the dashboard, you'll be able to see all the books that you purchased. And on the right here, you can download a PDF. So if you click the link, then you can download the digital copies in PDF format or in EPUB format. So after it's done, then you can open it. Then you'll be able to see the full contents, 566 pages. If you also want to read the book on mobile phone, then you can download the EPUB version. You can also write a review. So if you have any feedback for me, you're welcome to come here and then give a star. You can give a title. So this is very much similar to Amazon reviews, but it's just for the book here on my website. And again, depends on how many books you purchase. If you purchase a bundle, then you get all the books together. Next, let me introduce courses. So this is the what the course look like. If you buy the course and then get inside, you can see all the video here. Right now, it's still not complete yet, but in the future, there will be more courses on GeoAI and other geospatial learning materials. And so you will have a full-length video. I will also add more content. Right now, this is just the skeleton showing you what it looks like inside the platform. So you can navigate through different sections. You can just watch the video directly here, just click play, then you will play the YouTube video, or you can go to watch that on YouTube. And also you can submit assignments. Here we have 9 assignments for this course. If you click any of those assignments, it will open it up. So this is basically just a Jupyter notebook. So usually you will need to open the assignments in Google Colab, and then you complete your answers. After that, you just share the link. So make sure that you share this one publicly. You might need to change the settings. So you share this link. After that, you can just come back here at the bottom. Then you can submit your assignment. So this is just a Markdown similar to Google Colab. And you can just paste the URL here if this is what you want. Then you can just click the submit. I will be able to grade the assignments and provide some feedback for you. So this is how each course is going to work. Again, right now it's only one course, but I will add more courses over time. And also I also provide a bundle. If you want to purchase the book and also the video course together, you can slide to left, like $60. So if you buy the book, it's like separately, it's 25 plus 50, so going to be 75. And I give that deep discount. And if you are someone that struggling, if you need those learning materials, you also welcome to reach out to me. I'm happy to provide a coupon to give you even more discount. So if you once you buy this one, all of them will show up here within your accounts, so that you will keep access to all the PDF and the EPUB version. And so, for example, in the future, I'm also going to release the second edition. You will get to the download the second edition for free, so you don't need to pay anything. Once you get one copy, in the future releases, you will all be able to download them directly from here. Similarly, for the courses, I might add new content to that as well. And this is pretty much it. It's very flexible, so you can see the courses, you can see the bundle. And if you have any questions, you are welcome to reach out to me via email here, the contact at opengeohub.com. So this is the email that you can reach out for help, or you can also reach out to me on social media. And next, let me talk about the creators. So if someone that want to publish contents, books and video courses and other stuff, you're also welcome to reach out to me. Right now, these are just my content, but I'm hoping in the future more and more creators will use the platform. And so creators will earn up to like 85% royalties. So this is the highest you ever going to get if you publish on any other platforms. The highest one is like 80% from Limpub, but this is dedicated to Geospatial. Also, you're going to get a higher royalty, so 85%, and roughly 5% to 6% is used for all the credit card transactions through Stripe. So they charge like 3% for domestic credit cards, and then also international, and also the currency conversion. So I have to pay roughly about 6% in total for each transaction, and then the remaining 9 or 8% is for covering the infrastructure and also my time spending on helping you setting up the courses and dealing with all the customer service. And I hope this is going to be something that's useful for you. Either you are as a learner, or you are a creator that you want to share your stuff to the global audience. Then you're welcome to just sign the account, and then you can start buying the content, or you can also create new content. If you are interested in publishing content, reach out to me. I will give you access to the creator role, so that you can create courses. Right now it's for videos and video courses and books, but in the future I might also maybe have some like tutorial, like short tutorial that you can either share for free, or you can also charge a small fee if this is what you want. And I'm hoping this is something that's sustainable, because I've been doing a lot of open source for several years. It's difficult to make a living. So at the end, we need to actually make the project sustainable. So this, some of the income that we gain from this project will help me to focus on more time on the project that might be useful, and also help you to learn and provide the feedback. If you want to re-enroll in any of the courses, you also get a certificate of completion after you have finished the course. So you will have a certificate showing that you have taken this course from OpenGeoPub, and I'm the instructor, and so you have learned all of this. So it might be useful for you in the future when you are looking for any jobs. And also you can see here from the book, the video course page. If you click any of those, it also take you to the video and also the content. Again, it's going to be updated in the future. Right now, this is the first day that I'm launching this, so it's still very preliminary, but I'm hoping it will be useful for you and also useful for creators who want to share creative content on the platform, but also earn some passive income from your materials. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you find it useful. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.